Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In previous class, we discussed about the plane equation which is passing through given point and perpendicular to given vector. And based upon that one we discussed the problems, and one more type also we discussed, that is intercept form of a plane equation, that is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So these concepts we discussed in previous class. So today class will continue with the concept of plane passing through the intersection of two given planes. So this is also one type of plane equation we will solve here. No need to solve, just the formula we will discuss. Based upon that formula, some problems with that problems we discuss here. You observe here, plane passing through intersection of two planes. That means here, two planes intersection points, intersection line is there. From this another plane equation we have to find. Another plane equation we have to find. Simply understanding purpose, you can take the book example here. Two planes. This is one plane and this is another plane. Intersection means this line, plane equation passing through intersection of these two planes. That means like this you have to find. This plane equation. This is one plane equation and this is one plane equation. Now we have to find this plane equation. The plane equation passing through intersection of two planes. So this how we'll find. If you know the two planes, then give the two planes here. So the two planes I am taking r bar dot n1 bar is equal to d1, r bar dot n2 bar is equal to d2. Two plane equations is taken. The plane equation passing through intersection of these two planes is r bar dot n1 bar plus lambda n2 bar is equal to d1 plus lambda d2. This is the plane equation which is passing through intersection of two planes. This is called a vector form, and where lambda is a real number. Here lambda is real number. You have to find the lambda, then simplification you have to make it. So this is vector equation of plane. Now Cartesian equation is right. Cartesian form. So how to find the Cartesian form is here. I am taking, if n bar I am taking as a n1 bar is equal to a1 I cap, b1 j cap, c1 k cap, n2 bar is a vector. So vector I am taking as a a2 I cap, b2 j cap, c2 k cap, and r bar is equal to x I cap, y j cap, z k cap. These three substitute in equation 1. So now we will get, to substitute and simplify, a1x plus b1y plus c1z minus b1 plus lambda into a2x plus b2y plus c2z minus d2 is equal to 0. So this is the Cartesian equation of plane which is passing through intersection of two planes, Cartesian form and vector form. Based upon this one, we will discuss the problems. Example 20, based upon the plane equation passing through intersection of two planes. The vector equation of plane passing through intersection of the planes, two planes, and the point they given. So now you have to find the only vector equation of the plane which is passing through given plane intersection. So that's why solution Here R bar dot N1 bar equal to D1. That means N1 bar is equal to how much? I cap plus J cap plus K cap. N2 bar is equal to how much? This is the N2 bar. So 2I cap, 3J cap plus 4K cap. And D1 is 6, D2 is minus 5. D1 is 6, D2 is minus 5. We have the relation by using relation. Which relation? Otherwise plane equation. By using the plane equation, what is the plane equation? R bar dot N1 bar plus lambda N2 bar is equal to D1 plus lambda D2. So in this we have to substitute the values. R bar dot N bar, N1 bar, I cap plus J cap plus K cap plus lambda into N2 bar. What is the N2 bar here? 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap is equal to D1 6 plus lambda into minus 5 is the 3. So now simplification we have to make this one. R bar dot of I take common 1 plus 2 lambda into I cap, 1 plus 3 lambda into J cap plus 1 plus 4 lambda K cap is equal to 6 minus 5 lambda. Just here I am making I cap common, J cap common, K cap common. Lambda is a multiplier result. So this up to here completed. Now R bar is equal to how much? X I cap by J cap plus Z K cap. We know this value. This is the general position vector. So here substitute. Sir, why we are substituting, sir? You have to find the lambda value and plane equation total simplification we have to make. That purpose only we are writing X I cap plus Y J cap plus Z K cap dot product with 1 plus 2 lambda I cap, 1 plus 3 lambda J cap plus 1 plus 4 lambda K cap, 6 minus 5 lambda. So now dot product how to make I cap coefficient multiplication. 1 plus 2 lambda into X plus 1 plus 3 lambda into Y plus 1 plus 4 lambda into Z is equal to 6 minus 5 lambda. Just here K coefficient, J coefficient, I coefficient multiplication. Dot product we discussed in vector algebra. So now I am taking this equation 1. This is equation. What they given? Passing through the intersection of the planes and point also they given. So equation 2 given. Equation 2 passes through 1, 1. So now just the x plus 1, y plus 1, z plus 1 we have to substitute here. 1 plus 2 lambda into 1 plus 3 lambda into 3 plus 1 plus 4 lambda minus 6 plus 5 lambda equal to 0. These two values setting left side and x y places we are substituting 1. Here also 1. X, y, z values 1, 1, 1. So now simplify this one. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 3 minus 6, minus 3, 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 5 lambda, 5 lambda, 10 lambda plus 4 lambda, 14 lambda is equal to 0. This implies 14 lambda is equal to 3. Lambda is equal to 3 by 14. lambda value we got. That lambda value substitute in equation number 1. Lambda value substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. So how much you get? R bar dot of 1 plus 2 into 3 by 14 I cap plus 1 plus 3 lambda 1 plus 3 lambda to j cap plus 1 plus 4 lambda into k cap equal to 6 minus 5 into 3 by 14. 6 minus 5 into 3 by 14. So now we have to make the simplification here. R bar dot of. Take the LCM. Take the LCM. Otherwise, you make the simplification here. 2 1 the 2 7 the. If you take the LCM, how much you get? 7 plus 3, 10 by 7 I cap plus here 3 3s are 9, 14 plus 9 is 24. 23 by 14 j cap. Next step plus 2 to the 2 7 the 7 here 6. 13 by 7 k cap is equal to, here you have to make the simplification. So how much will get here? 84. 84 minus 15 by 14. 84 minus 15 by 14. Take the LCM here. 14 is the LCM. So here do multiplication. 20 I cap plus 23 j cap 9 plus 26 j cap 26 k cap is equal to 69. This simplification 84 minus 16 sorry 84 minus 15. How much is it? 69 divided by 14. Here 14 14 get cancel. R bar dot of 20 I cap plus 23 j cap plus 26 k cap equal to 69 is the required plane equation passing to the intersection of two planes in vector form. Here vector equation asking, so vector equation only how to find. Next step, one exercise problem I displayed there. Exercise problem take as a homework. Same to same method. You have to find the vector equation. Cartesian equation is they given. How to find the Cartesian equation? Which is the plane which is passing through two intersection of planes. That problem we'll discuss next. Next exercise problem number 9 here. Find the equation of plane through the intersection of the planes. Two planes are given, but the two planes in Cartesian form. So now you have to find the equation of plane in Cartesian form. Previous problem vector equation we find. Similarly, we have to find here Cartesian equation. So solution here, the equation of plane through the intersection of given two planes is what is the formula? A1x plus b1y plus c1z minus b1 plus lambda into a2x plus b2y plus c2z minus d1 equal to. So now substitute here plane y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda into x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. So now this equation passing through the point they given. So this one I am taking one given equation 1 passing through point 2 comma 2 comma 1. So now here we have to substitute 3 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 into 1 minus 4 plus lambda into 2 plus 2 plus 2 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So now we have to make the simplification of this one. 6 here minus 6 cancel, 2 will be remains plus 2 get cancelled, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 lambda is equal to minus 2, lambda is equal to minus 2 by 3. This value substitute in equation 1, substitute in 1. You have to substitute here 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 lambda value minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 into x plus y plus z plus minus 2 equal to 0. Simplify this one. Take the LCM is 3. 3 3 are 9x, 3 1 are 3 minus 3y plus 6z minus 12. This minus 2 multiply inside minus 2x minus 2y minus 2z plus 4 equal to 0. The 3 value also setting right side, total it will become 0. So now 9x minus 2x, 9x minus 2x is 7x minus 3y minus 2y minus 5y 6z minus 2z plus 4z minus 12 plus 4 minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8. So which is the required plane equation passing through the intersection of two planes and the point 2 comma 2 comma 1 is 7x minus 5y plus 4z minus 8 equal to 0. Next step, problem number 11 in exercise. Find the equation of the plane through the line of intersection of the planes. Two planes intersection, one line you will get. From that line, one plane equation is passing. That plane equation we have to find and which is perpendicular to the plane. Previous two problems we discussed it. Point they given, but here one condition they given for finding the lambda value. Lambda value will find in different way. Why? Because there is no point. One condition is there. That condition you have to use the for finding the lambda value. So similar problem, this is like 10th problem, but only lambda finding is different. You observe it. Solution. The equation of plane passing through intersection of given two planes is given two planes is. We have the formula direct. I am writing x plus y plus z minus this one side left side minus 1 plus lambda into this plane 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. So now we have to make the simplification of this one. X take common 1 plus 2 lambda into x plus y take common 1 plus 3 lambda into y plus 1 plus 4 lambda into z minus minus is there. So minus I am taking common 1 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Constant value. Here 1, here 5 lambda. Minus is there. So minus take common 1 plus 5 lambda. So now direction ratios. This is the one plane equation. Direction ratios. The direction ratios of above plane are, I am taking A1 is 1 plus 2 lambda, B1 is 1 plus 3 lambda, C1 is 1 plus 4 lambda, enough, C1 up to C1 only, no need to take D1. And given plane x plus x minus y plus z equal to 0, direction ratios are A2 is equal to 1, B2 is equal to minus 1, C2 is equal to 1. Given planes are perpendicular, given planes are perpendicular, then we have the condition A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Perpendicular defined on each condition. Direction ratios, dot product and sum of the direction ratios is 0. Substitute the values there. 1 plus 2 lambda into 1, 1 plus 3 lambda into minus 1, 1 plus 4 lambda into 1 equal to 0. Here, how much you get? 1 plus 2 lambda minus 1 minus 3 lambda plus 1 plus 4 lambda is equal to 0. So here, 1 was get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, minus lambda and 4 lambda, 3 lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. 3 lambda is equal to minus 1, lambda is equal to minus 1 by 3. Lambda equal to minus 1 by 3. This value substitute in equation 1. Value substitute in equation 1. This one take as a 1 plus substitution you have to make. So x plus y plus z minus 1 lambda value minus 1 by 3 into 2x plus zy plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. So now take the LCM here. 3 is the LCM. So 3x plus 3y plus 3z minus 3 minus 2x minus 3y minus 4z plus 5 equal to 0. 3x minus 2x, x plus 3y minus 3y cancel. 3z minus 4z, 3z minus 4z is minus z, minus 5 plus 3 is plus 2 equal to 0, which is the required plane equation that is passing through the intersection of the two planes and which is perpendicular to the plane. Here only lambda value finding is different. Why? Because there is no point, there is a condition perpendicular to the plane. Two planes perpendicular means direction ratios, product and sum if you are making, you should compulsory get 0. By that condition only we are getting lambda value. In this total problem, this is the important one. If you know that concept, you can find the lambda. Lambda values we are getting, that substitute in equation 1. So direct answer will get. Next concept, very small concept, and based upon this concept, only one example problem is that. What is that concept? Coplanarity of two lines. Lines, this is not planes. Coplanarity of two lines. That means the two lines lies in a same plane. Coplanar means the two lines lies in a same plane. So how to check that the two lines that give the two lines lies in same plane or not? That is what we call coplanarity. So let the given lines Cartesian form, vector form, r bar equal to a1 bar plus lambda b1 bar R bar equal to A2 bar plus mu into V2 bar. We have this in lines we discussed, passing to the point and parallel to the one vector. The two lines, different lines are given. Given lines coplanar if and only if this condition compulsory how to satisfy. A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 cross B2 bar equal to 0. If 0 getting, the two lines are coplanar. Next, Cartesian form x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1, x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2, z minus z2 by c2. Let a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are direction ratios of b1 bar and b2 bar. b1 bar, b2 bar direction ratios. Actually, no need. Direction ratios and the points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z. The given lines are coplanar if and only if condition z2 minus x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 determinant is equal to 0, then the two lines are coplanar. So based upon this one example problem will see. Given lines, Cartesian form they given, you have to satisfy this condition. So here first of all I will write x1 is equal to minus 3. Actual formula x minus x1, but here plus is there, minus of minus we can write. y1 is equal to 1, z1 is equal to 5. x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to 2, z2 is equal to 5. a1 is minus 3, b1 is 1, c1 is 5. A2 is minus 1, B2 is 2, C2 is 5. So just here substitution में x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Plus 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 3, 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 5. Simplification how to make? 2 into 5 minus 10, minus 1 into minus 15, minus into minus, plus 5. Plus 0 into some value. No need to write 0 into. Next here, minus 5 into 2, minus 10. Here, minus 10 into minus 1, plus 10. 0. Determinant this value 0 getting means the two lines are coplanar. The given two lines are coplanar, hence proved. So by this problem today class completed. One more concept is the angle between the two lines and distance from point to a plane. The two concepts will continue in next class. By that concept we will complete the total chapter.